Today I want to show you why you should never buy a soft shell tent and instead why you should always buy a hard shell tent. That's it for the part of opening. Let's see how long does it take me to close it. The worst part. And we are done. Today we were lucky. Sometimes the zip cannot be closed. I will show you how fast a Jurassic tent can be opened. 1 minute. And I never opened this tent before. Brand new. Save yourself the trouble. Buy a hard shell rooftop tent. You open it up. With your two hands you close it and you will be super comfortable.